The cameras provided with your NVR can operate in two modes. The default mode is AP. Each camera connects to your NVR wirelessly. It does this by using a standard called Wi-Fi Direct. The other mode is Mesh. Each camera connects to your Wi-Fi network, giving you flexibility on where you can mount it. To determine which mode will work best for each camera, let's look at an example of a medium-sized dwelling. Your Wi-Fi router is typically located in a study or kitchen area. Your NVR connected to your TV is also connected to your Wi-Fi network, either wired or wirelessly. You can view the camera's signal strength in live view mode. You can mix and match modes to select the best signal strength for each camera. One or more Wi-Fi repeaters or extenders can be installed to eliminate dead spots. The layout, infrastructure and size of your residence, Wi-Fi router location and where your NVR will be installed all play a part in where your cameras are placed and which mode they will operate on. The camera placed at the front door is connected via mesh mode to the Wi-Fi router due to the strong signal strength. The camera overlooking the backyard is connected via mesh mode to the Wi-Fi extender located in the bedroom. It was discovered that the bedroom is a Wi-Fi dead spot, so a Wi-Fi extender has been installed to extend the coverage of the Wi-Fi network. The camera overlooking the front entrance of the garage is connected via mesh mode to the Wi-Fi router due to the strong signal strength. An additional Wi-Fi extender can be installed inside the garage to extend the coverage of the Wi-Fi network. The camera placed at the rear entrance of the garage is connected via AP mode. As the camera is closer to the NVR than the Wi-Fi router, the signal strength is stronger in this mode than in mesh mode. When looking at the camera's signal strength in live view mode, aim to have a minimum of 3 bars for a consistent connection. If the camera has 1 or 2 bars in AP mode, you can change this to mesh mode to increase the signal strength. Let's have a look at how you do this. The camera measures its signal strength from the NVR, so identify and select the Wi-Fi access point or Wi-Fi extender closest to the camera for the best result. Right-click the mouse in live view mode to display the menu bar. Click the main menu button, then click Setup. Before proceeding, check that your NVR is connected to your Wi-Fi network, either wired or wirelessly. Click Camera. This will display technical and status information of the cameras paired. For the camera that you'll be changing to mesh mode, click the Connect button to wake up the camera. Your Wi-Fi credentials will not sync if your camera is in standby mode. Click the drop-down menu and select Mesh. Click to scan for your Wi-Fi. After a short moment, a list of Wi-Fi access points will be shown. Click on your Wi-Fi access point, then click the Select button. Click the Refresh button if nothing appears. If you have one or more Wi-Fi extenders installed, these can also be selected. Input the password for your Wi-Fi access point or extender. Click the eye icon to display the Wi-Fi password. Before proceeding, check that you're connecting to your Wi-Fi access point or preferred Wi-Fi repeater or extender and that the Wi-Fi password entered is correct. Click this to sync the Wi-Fi credentials to the camera. After a few moments, the camera will be connected to your Wi-Fi access point or extender. Click OK to continue. If the camera fails to connect to mesh mode and is no longer paired to your NVR, eject the battery from the camera, wait 30 seconds and then reconnect the battery. Repair the camera to your NVR by following the pairing instructions in the description below. Be aware that interruptions to your Wi-Fi network will also interrupt the camera's stream and recording. To download the instruction manual for your AllSecure NVR, go to support.swann.com and search for AllSecure Manual. Thanks for watching.